My name is James Thiessen. I am with Grey Ghost Restorations, and we build custom Airstream trailers in Vancouver, BC. We originally got into restoring Airstreams after doing one for ourselves, trying to find the perfect RV that was going to be sort of classic and iconic, and the vintage Airstream thing just struck home, and we've been building them ever since. The ability to create whatever you want out of a custom Airstream is I think an amazing option for people. We do everything from lifestyle specific activity trailers. If you need storage for your specific things or your specific sports gear, we can accommodate that. Do everything from trailers that are for one person or a couple to bunks for a whole family, and we can just basically do anything you want custom from the ground up. I found Samlex after working with a couple of other brands, and just the design aesthetic and the cleanness of lines and the simplicity of the install really made working with Samlex a pleasure. The kits are well thought out, they're well put together, the instructions are simple if you're a do-it-yourselfer, and if you're doing it on a daily basis, everything just fits together and works. Some of our challenges of late, especially in 2020, has obviously been supply. Lots of manufacturers of things have been closed down, but Samlex is local to me here in Vancouver, and they always seem to have what I need when I need it, and great to be working with somebody local. Yeah, having the solar power is truly a game changer. If you're spending a day out on the beach or wherever and you come back to your trailer, it's nice to have all the power you need to run your fridge and run your lights and all the rest of the goodies without firing up your generator. It's an awesome thing having silent power. Yeah, for anyone considering using Samlex products, I would wholeheartedly recommend they give them a good look. They're really well designed and really well built, and have great reliability for us so far.